Hello viewers, welcome to our channel ICCC, that is Information Cum Career Counseling Center. My name is Jayant and I am an educational counselor. So today in this video, let us discuss about medical need PG colleges with their MBBS PG courses. So before moving to the topic, if you're not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it so that you will be getting the latest updates and don't forget to press the bell icon. Hello viewers, welcome to our channel ICCC. We are a Bangalore based register company. My name is Jayant and I'm an educational counselor. So today in this video, let us discuss about the Oxford Medical College along with the medical NEET PG courses, fee structure and the cutoff. Before going to the topic, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Hello viewers, welcome to our channel ICCC. We are a Bangalore based register company. My name is Jayant and I'm an educational counselor. So today in this video, let us discuss about the Oxford Medical College along with the medical NEET PG courses, fee structure and their cutoff. So before going to the topic, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Oxford is one of the famous and very old institute in Karnataka. It is also popularly known as Oxford Medical College, which is situated in Attibale, Bengaluru, and it is established in the year 2013. And the campus infrastructure is quite good, and inpatient and outpatient department is in an average scenario because the hospital is little far from the city. It is nearly around the outskirts of Bangalore. So let's have a view of the college. Let us know what is GMP and GMO. GMP, General Merit Private. A candidate who have studied for a minimum period of 10 academic year commencing from 1st standard to 12th standard and must have appeared and passed either SSLC or second PUC, equivalent examination from Karnataka state and passed MBBS or BDS from state of Karnataka or outside the state of Karnataka. GMO, General Merit Open. It is an open category where the students of any state from India can apply through GMO. And this is the fee structure for Oxford Medical College, wherein if you see for preclinical subjects, if you take government fee structure for preclinical subjects especially 1 lakh 2,786, and if you see for private fee structure for preclinical subject, it will cost you around 1,58,198. If you see for paraclinical subjects like pathology or microbiology, the government fee structure will be 1,90,070, wherein for private fee structure that will cost you around 2,99,177. If you see for the pathology for NRI fee structure, it will cost you around 15,15,500, wherein if you see for clinical subjects like dermatology, all the seats are permitted, like it is a new seats, like a permitted seats. So dermatology, the government fee structure will be 7,13,780, and if you see for NRI and others, the fee structure will cost you in 80,15,500. Wherein for if you see general medicine, the fee structure for NRI and others it is 60,15,500. Wherein if we have a look for anesthesia, the private fee structure will be 11,03,205, and if you see for NRI that will cost you around 50,15,500, wherein if you see for general surgery the NRI and other fee structure will cost you around 50,15,500. So this is the fee structure. So let us see the first one cut off in Oxford Medical College, wherein they are preclinical subjects, paraclinical subjects, and clinical subjects, which is all are permitted seats due to its new college. If you see for pathology, the college has provided according to the seat matrix. It is they have provided two seats, wherein one seat is given to ME category, and another one seat is given to GMO category, wherein if you see the cutoff for the first round, it is around 32,204 for the GMO cutoff. And if you see for general medicine, if you take general medicine, the college has provided 4 seats, wherein 3 seats are given to ME students, that is Telugu minority students, and the open GMO, that is open category, they have given 1 seat for the GMO category students, wherein the general medicine cutoff for the ME category for the first round is 26,942, wherein for the open category students it is 7,922. If you take anesthesia, they have provided 3 seats, wherein 1 seat is given to GMP students, that is Carnatic students, and 2 seats for the Telugu minority students, wherein the GMP cutoff is 26,970, wherein the minority students cutoff goes to 54,882. If you see for obstetrics and gynecology, that is OBG in a short form, if you say, they have provided 2 seats, wherein 1 seat is given to ME students and another one is for the open category students. If you see the ME cutoff for the first round, it is 15,682, wherein the open category cutoff has gone up to 12,141 in the Oxford Medical College. And this is the second round cutoff of Oxford Medical College. If you see for the pathology, the cutoff for the second round has gone reached up to 96,647, wherein if you see for pediatrics, the GMP cutoff was 18,913, wherein for ME students it is 13,051 rank. You see for general medicine, the ME category has gone up to 48,381, and if you see for GMO, this non-Carnatic students, the rank has reached up to 17,880. If you take for anesthesia, the GMP cutoff is for the second round it is 50,157, wherein for the ME students it is 71,540. As it is a permitted states, the cutoff has reached till 71,000, and it is a linguistic seat, so the rank has gone up to 71,000. So if you see for OBG, the ME cutoff goes up to 21,588, wherein for open category it is 19,090 rank. And this is the statistic of the last year cutoff. If you take anesthesia course in Oxford Medical College, they have provided 3 seats, and 1 seat is given to GMP students, and the rest 2 seats is given to ME category students, that is Telugu minority students. If you take the GMP cutoff for the first round, it is 26,970, where in the second round the rank has gone up to 50,157, wherein the GMP third round, that is mop up round, the rank has gone up to 57,860. If you take ME cutoff for the first round, it is 54,882, wherein the second round it has a massive jump, that is 71,540, and the mop up round has gone furthermore, that is 1,40,000 4,000 sorry 1,04,081 rank. So it has there for the ME students, they have a very good opportunity to get a seats in Oxford Medical College. If you see the general medicine, they have provided 4 seats Three seats are given to ME students and the rest one seat is given to GMO students, wherein the GMO cutoff for the first round was 7,922 and the second round and the mop-up round they have closed it to 17,880, wherein the Telugu minority cutoff for the first round it was 26,942 and for the mop-up and for the second round and the mop-up the rank has gone up to 48,381. If you take pediatrics, they have given two seats wherein one seat is given to GMP and the other one seat is given to ME category students, wherein the first round for GMP category was the cutoff was 12,920, wherein the second and the mop-up round it has gone up to 18,913, wherein if you see the minority cutoff for the first, second and the mop-up preceding three rounds it is 31,051 rank. If you see OBG, the college has provided two seats wherein one seat for GMO and the other one seat for category students, wherein the first round the GMO category cutoff is 12,141, wherein the second round and the mop-up round it has gone up to 19,090, wherein the minority cutoff is gone up to 21,588. If you take orthopedics, they given one seat that is to minority students and the cutoff has gone up to 55,719 rank. If you take general surgery, the college has provided two seats for minority students and the cutoff has gone up to 59,766th rank. So if we take ophthalmology, the college has provided one seat that is to Karnataka students, GMP students, and the cutoff rank has gone up to 45,348 rank. So the Telugu minority students have a great opportunity if they get scored above 30 or 40th rank. There are opportunities to get a seat in this college. So, as an educational counselor, what is my conclusion regarding these three rounds in Oxford Medical College? If you take anesthesia, they have given three seats, wherein one seat is provided to GMP students, and the rest two seats are provided to minority students, that is Telugu minority students, wherein the cutoff rank for the first round was 26,970, wherein for the second round the rank has gone up to 50,157, wherein they have a 25,000 rank difference for the first and the second round. You see for the mop-up round the cutoff has gone up to 57,860, where they have a 7,000 of difference. If you take minority students, for the first round it is 54,882, wherein the second round it is 71,540, and if you see for mop-up round the rank has jumped to 1,04,081. So for minority students they have a good chance of getting anesthesia seat in Oxford Medical College. If you take general medicine, the college has provided four seats wherein three seats are given to Telugu minority students and the one seat is given to GMO open to all students. So if you see the GMO cutoff, the rank has gone up to 17,880, wherein the GMO students have to score at least 17,800 rank to obtain GM General Medicine seat in Oxford Medical College. Wherein if you see for Telugu minority students, the rank for the first round it was 26,942, where the second and the mop-up round the cutoff has gone up to 48,381, wherein the students have to score 48,300 rank to obtain this seat in Oxford Medical College. If you take pediatrics, the college has given two seats, wherein one seat for the GMP students and the one seat for minority students, wherein the GMP cutoff has gone up to 18,913, wherein the minority students their rank has gone up to 31,051. So if you take OBG, the colleges provided two seats, wherein one seat for GMO and the another for the minority students, where the GMO category for the MOP till the MOP from 12,141 till the MOP round, if you see, the rank has gone up to 19,090, wherein if you see the minority students rank, the cutoff rank, the cutoff rank for the MOP round, the rank has gone up to 21,588. So you should score below or up to it to get a seat for these courses. So if you take orthopedic, in orthopedic, the college has provided one seat, that too for minority students, where the cutoff has gone up to 55,719. So this is also one more a good chance for them for such a big rank. For a less rank, they are getting a seat, but that too the college has provided one seat, so that too for the minority students. So if you see for general surgery, the college has provided two seats, wherein the two seats are provided to minority students as well. So the cutoff rank has gone up to 59,766. So this is also a good opportunity for the minority students to get a general surgery seat up to 59,000 rank, wherein if you see for ophthalmology, if you see the college has provided one seat, that too for GMP students. For the first one, if you see, it is 23,665, wherein the second and the mop-up round, the rank has jumped up to 45,348, wherein the GMP students have to get at least 45,000 rank or 45,300 rank to obtain this ophthalmology seat in Oxford Medical College. So this is my statistical analysis about the cutoff of the last year. So these are the services which has been provided from us, that is ICCC. Those are application notification updates, SMS alert for all states, state-wise application filling guidance from Karnataka, Pondicherry, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. NRI general fees updates, SMS alert, cutoff mark alert, guidance for NRI documents for MCC, state counseling, direct NEET PG admission for all clinical and paraclinical subject, and our package for this service charge is only 25,000 rupees. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, contact to 888 You can also WhatsApp to 740 and you can also reach us through email ID, that is abjy.i3c@gmail.com. And if you like this video, please do share, comment and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.